Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a helpful guide on how to disable message requests on Instagram using your PC, following the latest update. If you're looking to streamline your notifications and reduce distractions, this is the perfect solution for you. First, let's get started by opening your Instagram account on your PC. Simply head to the Instagram website and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines. That's the More icon. Go ahead and click on that to access additional options. Now that you've opened the menu, scroll down and choose Settings. This is where you can customize your experience on Instagram. In the Settings menu, you'll find several options on the left side. Click on Notifications. This section allows you to manage how and when you receive alerts from Instagram. Next, within the notification settings, look for the option labeled Push Notifications. Clicking on this will take you to a list of different notifications you can enable or disable. Finally, locate the Message Requests option and toggle it off. By doing this, you'll no longer receive notifications for message requests, helping to keep your inbox more organized and less cluttered. And there you have it. Disabling message requests on Instagram from your PC is quick and easy. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy Instagramming!